Hello students. My last class we discussed about rate constant and its characteristics and a unit. Today we are going to discuss the integrated rate equations for zero order reaction and first order reaction. The integrated rate equation gives the relation between concentration of the reactant at different times and rate constant. Okay. First, I am going to derive the integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Okay, please listen. For a zero order reaction R gives P, the rate law is, we know, rate is equal to K into molar concentration of the reactant raised to zero, that is equal to K, and its a differential rate equation is rate equal to minus dr by dt. Okay, equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, from these equations, from equations 1 and 2, we can say minus dr by dt equal to rate constant K. Okay, we can rearrange the equation, the terms, then we get minus dr equal to K into dt. Okay, then we can integrate this equation for both sides. Integrating on both sides, we get minus integral of dr equal to K into rate constant into integral of dt. Okay, then integral of dr is r. We know integral of dx equal to x. Then integral of dr equal to r. That is minus molar concentration of reactant. R is equal to K into integral of dt is t. K into t plus I. Equation 3, where I is the constant of integration, where I is the constant of integration. I is the constant of integration. Then the value of I can be calculated from initial concentration of the reactants. Okay, then that is when the concentration of reactant become R0, then time t is equal to 0. When time is 0, the concentration of reactant becomes R0, and R0 indicates initial concentration of the reactant. Then this equation 3 becomes minus R0 equal to K into 0 plus I. That is the value of I equal to minus R0. The value of I can be substituted in equation 3. Then equation 3 becomes minus R is equal to K into T plus or minus R0 minus R0. That is K into T is equal to R0 minus R. That is the rate constant K is equal to R0 minus R divided by T. This is the integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. From this equation, we can say that the rate constant of a zero order reaction is equal to initial concentration of the reactant minus final concentration of the reactant or the concentration of the reactant at a given time t. Okay, so then initial concentration minus final concentration divided by time. This is the integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Okay, please consider the reaction again. R gives P is a zero order reaction. Its rate law is K, and its differential rate equation is minus dr by dt. From equations 1 and 2, minus dr by dt is equal to K. That is minus dr is equal to K into dt. We can integrate this equation on both sides. Then minus integral of dr is equal to K into integral of dt. Integral of dr is R. Integral of dt is t. Then minus R is equal to K into t plus I, where I is the constant of integration. Then the value of I can be calculated from the initial concentration of the reactant. That is, when time is 0, the concentration of the reactant becomes R0. Then minus R0 is equal to K into 0 plus I, that is I equal to R0. Then equation 3 becomes minus R is equal to KT minus R0, that is KT is equal to initial concentration minus final concentration, R0 minus R. Then the final equation, the rate constant for zero reaction is R0 minus R by T. Okay? Okay? Then next we are going to derive the integrated rate equation for first order reaction. Okay?